ride it. But again, there is snow. Nice. So here we are. So there is more. Peligro. Beautiful area. Beautiful. There's other tire prints. So I'm not the first idiot who is riding up here. I think it's a good place to stop. I think it's a good place. Buenos dias. I hope you're feeling okay. I do. We are back in Chile. So yeah, I took some time to organize my things, but not my luggage, like my things. Because I wanted to say something because of the last video I uploaded with the depression. Yeah, traveling can be lonely, but it's kind of up and down. So I sorted my stuff. I took a really long break now with riding. So yeah, I met friends and I just took care about myself. And yeah, I'm ready again to produce, to write, to explore. And yeah, the first ride brings us now back again to some really nice places. And yeah, I'm very happy again, and I think just someone who is able to be really sad is also able to be really happy. Yeah, this is this problem if you're a so sensitive person. And I think travelers are very sensitive persons because we are looking for something, we are searching, we want to explore, we want to make these adventures. Yeah, but it's not always easy life. Not that you made a lot of sorrows about me, or how you say. I'm doing well and I'm motivated again. So look at this nice place. It's incredible. Yeah, was funny already to fight with the snow again. I like this. I like to have a mission to do. I really love it. It's beautiful sometimes to ride on roads, just enjoy the scenery. But I think you have to be happy for that you can enjoy anything. So yeah, I can enjoy myself and I can enjoy the riding now again. Was a bit of a work and I needed to think a lot. So yeah, I think it's good that I took the break for myself, because yeah, if you're rushing while traveling, it's not a good idea. And I realized again that slowly traveling is more the answer, at least for me, because there's so much to explore and there's so many people what you can meet, and if you have strict time plans, I think it's, yeah, you're skipping all this, and this is a very important experience for me. So yeah, so my Honda is also happy again, so to lay a bit sideways. And yeah, it was fun to ride up here. It was super short, but nice track. And yeah, now I say it again, welcome to Chile, welcome back in Chile. It's a beautiful country and I really love the people of Chile because they have a very warm energy, and I have some exciting plans for Chile. Let's see if they work out or not, I don't know, but we will see. And now I will say again, let's go for the ride. Easy. So, second try, same lane. Easy. Now let's hit the border with Chile, this time at the same day. And yeah, just to explore un poquito. Whoa. Sandy! No! Wow, it's super soft. Super soft. But always fun to get a little mission. Oh, let's go to the border. Yeah, it was an interesting border crossing now. They wanted to know a lot, and I need to type some stuff into the computador. And I had a funny conversation with the guy from the border. He spoke Alemán and he showed me all the photos from his trip to Austria and Czechoslovakia. It was funny, and yeah, I'm happy that I'm back in Chile again. I don't know why, but somehow I really feel connected with this country. I like the Chilenos. And yeah, you have a nice energy and be proud of your nice country. I don't know much about the economia, but I like it here a lot. And I'm happy that I'm back again now. And yeah, I'm looking forward to discover. Bienvenido a Chile. Let's check out what it is. We have some buckets with warm water, and I will have a private platforma. Look at that. Woo! What a nice place. So let's find a camping spot. Let's see if my plan is working, because there's a kind of a shortcut, which is a hiking way. Wow, nice! It's a crazy place here. Wow. Yeah, there's a shortcut and it's a 1 kilometer hiking way, which connects to another valley. And yeah, let's see. German people. Saludos aus Österreich! Hi! Yeah, in 2 months, the first Germans I met. And yeah, now we're looking together for a place to camp. Woohoo! Yeah, it's very slidey. And like I said, my tires are not the best anymore. Hey, good morning. Ready to leave again. Ready to leave. Was nice to spend some time with people from home, more or less. I'm from Austria, but they were from Germany. Super lovely people. Thanks again, El Cantimo. Looks good. Largo Paraíso. Yeah, about 2 kilometers. Little river crossing, maybe with a bridge. And yeah, let's find out. Looks good. Until now, like a bit of more trade. Whoop, whoop, whoop. A lot of big stones. Yeah, but nice. Whoa! Whoop! Up! 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 I was not see this coming. Okay, another tree. That was supposed to be a hiking trail. Wow, a lot of big stones. A lot of big stones. Jeepy. Tight. And up. And muddy. Super muddy. Steps. This is what I like. Bit of no. Fucking hell. I knew it. I knew it. Maybe there's a way around. This one is no problem. Fucking hell.